Happy Monday. Good morning from sunny Oakland. With the hey, where are we going today?
We are going into San Francisco, downtown, to see some sights.
Awesome. Blue skies, we love to see it.
It's a bit of a walk. Which is 12th Street? Oh, okay, we keep walking now. We keep walking till 19th Street.
Morning steps. Is it here? You pick the amount you want. Let's go. How many more minutes?
There's another in 7 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Two-door train for Richmond in 5 minutes.
Now moving at 12th Street, Oakland City Center. This is the Midnight Train to this way.
Look at all this. Oh wow, this is massive. Oh, look at this Watson building. Stunning. Hello from San Francisco. Yay! Oh, this is so cool. buildings are so tall. Okay, Bellevue could never. The buildings in Bellevue aren't this tall. Oh, interesting.
I worked for Salesforce for 3 months.
Ah, nice, fancy.
I just really something. I can't do that.
What? Oh, that's the street that goes into the sky. Is that the one you were talking about? Oh, okay.
I always love that.
So is it a street that normally has that red car that goes down?
Yeah, that's the street exactly.
Ah.
When you get up to the
We're gonna come back this way anyway, right? Oh, okay, let's go there.
I mean, I don't know how close you want to get to it, but as you can see, those cars aren't there anymore.
I guess because they were like tourist stuff or...
Yep. So yeah, they're not there anymore.
We can cross here, I guess. Oh, whoops.
They don't need service anymore. But this is what they want to do up there.
Ah. Love it. There's a bridge down there. So which bridge is that?
That's called the Bay Bridge.
Ah,
You can go a little bit that way to see it nicer.
that's good.
Go this way all the way to the building.
Ah, okay.
How? I'm not sure.
Farmer's market. I love it. It's so old.
seeing COVID patients, but you're able to if we needed you to. And so I think healthcare workers are going to be very toward the front of the line if they're seeing any patients at all. People, the FDA, to its credit, has snapped back into its normal position. It's sort of shaken off all of the political shenanigans that it was seeing a few months ago. And so today, if you ask me that question, I would say I want to be first in line. And so I think that, and it's not like
take the next right onto Lombard Street.
Vaccines for childhood diseases, you see issues of vaccine deniers and anti-vaxxers and all that kind of stuff. But these are diseases that many people have never seen before, whereas COVID.
Oh wow, this is so cool. Oh, this is stunning. The detail is crazy. I don't know. And these guys who live like right across the street, that must cost a lot of money.
Either we are in the more upscale side of
That must cost a pretty penny to live across from this. Wow, it just keeps, whoa. It keeps getting more grand.
There's no way, right?
Isn't it sounds like it's even more work to bring them in than to just build them here. Oh, away go the dogs. These people haven't leashed their dogs and I'm so scared of them. This one here is coming towards us. Oh, okay, it's not coming towards us. There should be a rule. Please show dogs in public. Anyway, enough about the dogs. How grand is this? I am obsessed about how grand this is. It is so grand. I want to see these rich people who live across from this because, wow, they must be stunningly rich. Even the homes look so nice. Wow. But just look at that detail. And blue skies in December. Okay, it's November 30th, but still completely blue skies. Love to see it. And very, very rich people who live close to this. So where did he propose? In the middle of this huge palace?
Why you propose?
Yeah.
Actually,
Oh, okay. So what's the story behind this stump?
this is where I sat. He made me sit here
Mm-hmm.
and look out here at some ducks and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
What I didn't know is that all my friends were gathering behind us. And he was standing here. And so he's doing some funny stuff. But then I decided to look back and I couldn't imagine all these people who I knew just standing there.
When you look back,
I was in shock. I had not expected this.
and then you look back at him, and then.
And then he was on his knees.
Oh, the cutest thing ever!
Will you marry? And I said, yeah.
It's like, I mean, yeah.
Okay.
They're assembling a bench. How cool. Can you see this centerpiece thing here? This is someone's house. How is that even real? Jeez. I think he's the Audi guy. Okay, bye-bye, Palace. And of course a Tesla, because how would it be San Francisco without spotting a Tesla? I'm gonna go to the other side.
Good morning.
Morning.
Going across the bridge.
Golden Gate. And that is it. Bay Bridge. What you call it?
Bay Bridge. That's Alcatraz Island, just to get visible.
Oh, okay. Sunset by the boardwalk. Oh gosh, in Santa Cruz? Santa? We're in Santa. Oh God, why am I hiccuping so much?
Tell us.
We're in Santa Cruz, right?
Yeah, Santa Cruz.
Oh gosh. Oh, I don't know why I'm hiccuping like a mad person. And they seal. Oh gosh, they seals.
No, uyu nakuhika hapo na kukoa. Something's in my throat. That's what's up.
And now introducing our very, very, very beautiful pricey room for the night. We have our TV, desk, mini fridge, microwave, Yvonne's suitcase. It came with the room. They were so gracious. The bed, more suitcases. And Yvonne, she also came with the room.
I'm washing my hands because the woman was coughing.
She came with the room.
Alikuwa anakohoa.
Yeah, just sink, whatever. Hair dryer for guys with hair. Iron box. I don't even have an iron box in my house. These guys are winning. And an iron box. Ironing board. Jeez. Toilet. And the bathroom. Oh, you want to ruin? Oh, I don't even know how they make these things, but yeah, you can ruin it now. To me, I.
Alright.
Nyobua.
Victor, look like you're in a vlog.
Hi.
You look like you're in a vlog.
You can't even see the water, but there's water, I promise you. Believe me. There's waves, there's a beach, there's an ocean. Trust me. Crushing waves. Yep, as she said, enjoying her bread and butter.
Bread and butter.
Butter, I think.
And hot water. Just look at this random glasses. I'm digging it. Compare the cold water and the hot water glasses. I'm upset. They're mistreating us cold people. This is mistreatment. Uko na mambo mingi, my friend.
Yeah.
Wow, hadi uko na stima. Amekuja na stima. Madam amekuja na stima.
Catch me like a rat on the highway. I've been driving for over 20 years. Then you come and you talk very big nonsense to me. It's actually does not make eye up. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your good time. Because that is where you go.
Stop wasting your time.
This is a Kenyan?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm an interviewer.
He was arrested for drinking alcohol.
Because of Nene. Alcohol. Alcohol. Because that's where you go. That is like a rat on
An highway. Are you okay? Usitafadhali mtumalize.
Oh my God.
Tafadhali mtunyonge basi.
Sina ubaya nimekaa mtu kwa naona wanaume mnashindana poster sijui amenyoa sijui ameunga sijui ni handsome kutushinda au ni wa majina na watu wao sasa sisi
Honey wa America.
hapa Kenya. Mtu kama mimi nitakuwa. Kwa hivyo unasokuwa unaposti.
Mtu kama mimi utaoa. Ndio atakuoa.
Ni wa United States of America. Oh hill. Oh hill stay. Ni wa oh hill.
Imagine.
These are the people, right?
Ever put him back. What is that time? Your question is
Put it back.
Afasali mtumalize. Amekanta kuturekebisha.
Okay, I need to go.
Ameturekebisha.
wow.
Nafaa kwa tukipost nini Mbogi Genje.
I'm leaving, guys. This is insane.
Kanairo governor ni mjamus.
Whereas looking good.
Yo.
I can't.
Ulikuwa unalialia nini utamwambia nini? Let me find another hilarious.
Utamaliza mtoto wenyewe.
No, what did people say to that?
Malisa.
Utamaliza. Mtoto.